wear underwear. No, I never wear underwear. I think the last time I wore underwear was like 12 years ago.
I'm their director.
You always want ape shit, like celebrate shit. So we went through the whole back day, and then we had like Hyden Park. While Tom Brady was the quarterback for the
I know, I feel.
You gotta spy these things, man.
Didn't you say you wanted seafood? Let's go for a seafood place.
Whatever has to be fun is fine, honestly.
Yeah, I mean, whatever you guys want, I'm cool with it. Sundays, they used to have a market here, which is really cool.
Yeah. And then he like actually contacted me once at
I think we might close it already. Oh, it's just sprinkles here and stuff, so what kind of food are you looking for?
I don't know. I'll probably have if we go somewhere seafood, I'm gonna have seafood. If we go anywhere else, I'll probably get a salad and some chicken. So where I can go anywhere, honestly.
Algo que tenga pollo, idealmente.
I haven't like really gone.
Where's the seafood place around here?